This is the good life, the Parkway Estate NURIOOTPA. Harcourt Gawler Sales is proud to welcome you to the Parkway Estate. This is a rare opportunity to secure a premium allotment in one of South Australia's most famous wine regions. Located only a short walk along Greenock Road to the centre of NURIOOTPA, this is a new way to experience modern Barossa living. Life's little pleasures are at your doorstep, with cafes, restaurants and pubs close by, along with, of course, some fine wineries. The local schools, supermarkets and retail stores are all located within the NURIOOTPA township. At the Parkway, the perfect blend is achieved by attention to finer details. Encumbrances that will ensure your home is amongst other quality built homes with higher roof pitching and modern building designs. It's the detail that will please for generations to come. A peaceful outlook onto the established landscaped Central Reserve. The extensive open space creates an environment with room to move, explore and enjoy. This is the complete package with minimal maintenance lifestyle. The various allotment sizes allow you to create the space you want, but not at the cost of your leisure time. The Parkway is a timeless address that, like a good Barossa Shiraz, will just get better with age. For an information pack or to secure your place at the Parkway, please contact David Washington on 0403 167 459.